nice and warm. What? Watch the timer, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, I just heard something, guys. Okay, Dad, listen to this. Stop doing for a minute. Wait. And there goes the rinse aid. Guys, this is really cool. My dad just laughed, guys. Anyways, there's him. We're actually getting ready to pack up, so I'm not gonna keep recording because it's just gonna take like for a while to rinse. So that was a demonstration of the final rinse. Okay, be back. And I also have a little stopwatch on my tablet as well. 1 hour and 36 minutes since I first started. So, anyway. Alright guys, check this out. 3, 2, 1! Dishwasher's not done yet, so... 3, 2, 1! Perfect? Alright. Alright, I guess I'll keep recording now. I got a little stopwatch on my tablet, by the way. It's now 1 hour and 58 minutes, so this is probably one of the... Oh, guys, I totally forgot. I should have given you the morning volume. Alright. There's the wall. Alright. I want to hear the drying activate. Let's see, is it here? Is it? Let's leave those open so you guys can hear. Got 71 minutes. By the way, guys, this thing is really quiet this time because there's full of dishes in there and it really makes a difference. There's the timer, the watch zones selected are upper and lower, and the drying heat boost is, or dryer boost, whatever you call it, is the normal, and right there is your start button. Here's where we're at. Here's where we're at too. And they back home. Well, that's 69 minutes. Huh? Nice day today, by the way, guys. just recording 11 minutes. Looks like things are getting hotter now. For sound purposes, we'll let you. Also, for sound purposes, we're gonna keep those open for the final drain. Draining for the last and final time. Well, I'm just. Okay, guys. Yes, Dad, yes. Those look really cool. Okay, is that it? Oh, let's do this. Okay. Last drain, guys. Alright, get ready, guys. Alright, Dad, ready? That was like a unexpected end. And as you can see, it goes to drying. I feel something. Oh yeah, it's like that hot air. There's the bottom right here. As promised, I'll do the review, but I'm gonna have to wait for a couple more hours. Alright. So anyways, guys, this was actually meant to be the final run on this beast. It's a 2020 GE Profile dishwasher. I repeat, the final run. So that's why I do have a couple of video short ones. One is the detergent dispenser open up, and another one is during the first fill. It was like clicking. It's probably because the water's starting to cool down. But there you go. And now and then after this, I'll upload this one. So let's go check if there's any steam coming out. In 3, 2, 1. Huh? Told ya. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. That's nice. Ugh, oh my god, that stinks. guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am going to be very busy today with doing all this stuff, so doing all that moving stuff, and hopefully, yeah. So I'm gonna be with my grandparents for a few weeks, and there will be videos on our rental house. So, anyways, you guys, once we get everything out of the dishwasher, we'll do the review on this one, the final review before I move out. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and take care. Nope, not coming from there. Looks like it's coming from the dishwasher.